Introducing the new Luxair induction hobs from Luxair. Our new range are made from the very best components, ensuring trouble-free cooking at affordable prices. Induction hobs use clever electromagnets to directly heat the base of your pans rather than the whole hob surface, so heat isn't wasted. The Luxair are available in 4 sizes, 60, 70, 80 cm and 2 designs in 90 cm. Each hob has a stylish beveled edge made from rquired glass and is pre-wired for easy installation. Our 90 cm versions come with either 5 or 6 hobs. All our induction hobs feature a slider control to easily change the cooking level. Simply select which ring you want to change and then move the slider left or right to alter the output. All the Luxair induction hobs feature a Flexizone areas. This means you can put your pans anywhere in the Flexizone area instead of just one induction cooking area. The Luxair induction hobs feature pan detection. This means the hob will only activate a cooking zone when a pan is placed on it. Each hob has a residual heat indicator that will show a H sign on the controls. Even though these hobs are induction and no heat is emitted from the hob, your pans will still become warm and heat up the glass. The residual heat indicator is there to show the ceramic glass is still hot even though there may not be a pan on the hob. When the H symbol is showing, don't touch the heating zones and don't put any heat-sensitive objects on them. Other features include 11 cooking levels, a timer function from 1 to 99 minutes, a child lock, overflow protection, a pause function and auto shutdown. Installation of our hobs is very simple. Ensure the cutout is to the dimensions provided. Place the ceiling padding tape around the cutout to ensure the hob or your worktop is not damaged. Place the hob in the cutout and secure from underneath. Each ceramic hob has a different power consumption, starting at a minimum of 7 kW up to 9.5 kW. All specifications and a breakdown of each heating zone can be found on our website, www.luxairhoods.com. Luxair also supplies ducting kits, splashbacks and accessories required for the installation of this hood. Luxair, extraction with attraction.